Hey guys, welcome to another video. I know we just made one, but hey, it's my life.
We have a new idea.
Yeah, we do. It's awesome. Tell them what we're gonna do.
We're gonna be exploring nature. I know none of you like nature, and you like technology and what is it? Electronics. But this is gonna be the funny version. Yeah.
Okay, well, we gotta get going. So we're just gonna be wearing shoes and no jackets.
Yeah, because who needs jackets? I'm coming.
What shoes should I wear?
Avery. You can say hello to my friend Anne.
Yes.
Hi, Anne. This is Avery.
Nice to meet you, Avery.
Do you have makeup on?
Yes.
Whoa.
Well, we're making a YouTube video right now, so this is my mom.
Hi. Who am I talking to?
My fans.
Oh, your
Okay, what shoes should I wear?
I have one brother.
I'm gonna wear shoes that aren't mine because I'm fun.
I'm very,
Oh man, they fit me. This is weird.
They do?
Yeah.
Whose shoes are those?
I don't know. Just getting on random shoes that I saw and they fit me. What if they were the fighting shoes? Okay.
One second.
I always feel weird.
Man, these feel good walking on it.
I don't feel siblings, but then I don't want people that
Okay, bye, Mom. Wait, I have to tell her where we're going. Here, just talk to them really quick. You can face the camera on yourself.
Nah, look at this plant. Yeah. It's a plant. It's majestic. It's a plant. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. It's a plant.
It's a fake plant. It's a plant. It's a fake plant.
Do you want to go to a baby shower with me?
When?
I don't know. Whenever my aunt is gonna have a baby shower.
Your aunt is gonna have a baby? My aunt is gonna have a baby.
What?
You see, it's just very beautiful. We both jumped at the same time. Let's run. This is one of our days. We have to run all the way to this. By the way, I'm a fast runner.
Whenever it's winter outside.
Whoa, this used to be blue.
Whenever it's winter outside.
Oh wait, they put in new benches, right? I don't want to be perfect. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, now we gotta pick up a snow globe,
Like a big one.
and we have to throw it at our backs.
No! It's not my back, so you have to do that again.
No, just anywhere, but please don't try to hit my arms.
It's not Bob.
Show my back, show my back.
Does it have like a torso?
Well, you could barely see it, but there's snow there. Whenever it's winter outside, I always like to breathe with my mouth.
Yeah, let's keep walking. So how's your life been? Whoa. It's very beautiful outside.
Just a nice stroll.
I don't want to be perfect. Sorry, I have a musically song stuck in my head. Just try to be honest.
For the random person's shoes.
Da, 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 da.
Do you know that lady that came here with your mom?
Yeah. I know, I've seen these shoes in our
Okay. Then
house
that's
before.
probably her shoes.
No, it's probably not. It's probably our shoes.
Okay then.
I think it's Caitlin's.
Well, they fit you.
Yeah, and my sister's shoes fit me.
Because you have big feet. I have small feet. I wear size 8s.
Well, this video will be short. Our last dare is we're gonna kick this pile of snow.
Okay, you take this half, I take this half.
You go first. Milana, don't try kick it everywhere. We could get in trouble. Okay, now do me.
Okay. What kind of dance was that?
I don't know. Well, bye guys. Hope you liked our video. We'll probably see you later today. We're gonna make more because we're bored.
Yeah.
Bye.